What's up, guys? Here's my list of 10 tools from Harbor Freight you should start off with as a DIY home mechanic. Let's go. First off is a good set of ramps. If you're going to work under your car, you're going to need clearance, and these guys will give you 8.5 inches of lift. A set of these Pittsburgh ramps will run you about $50 and they can hold 13,000 pounds. Next up, oil change stuff. You can get drain pans, funnels, oil filter wrenches, oil filter pliers, and they're all inexpensive at Harbor Freight. Don't overpay some high school kid at Jiffy Lube to change your oil when you can do it yourself at home the right way, like a CD. Next up are sockets and stuff. Gotta have these if you're working on a car. You can score inexpensive sockets and ratchet sets, extensions, and torque wrenches at Harbor Freight. Remember, if you're not a professional mechanic, you don't need professional mechanics tools, and the Pittsburgh line can certainly get you started without breaking the bank. And if you gotta have sockets, you gotta have open-ended wrenches too. These 22-piece Pittsburgh sets are usually under $20 and they have metric and standard. I wouldn't go putting a pipe on one of these guys for extra leverage, but they'll get you turning bolts. Next up are grinders. Sometimes you gotta grind a bolt off, sand a surface, or prep an area for paint, and these Warrior grinders are less than $20 and they're actually really good. They also sell grinding and cutting wheels in packs of 10 so you can stock up. Next up are breaker bars. The 1/2 inch and the 3/8 drive are less than $20 a piece. They're really good for helping you break those lug nuts loose. So save yourself the headache and pick these guys up. Next up are pliers. Harbor Freight has a lot of these smaller pliers and locking pliers to get you started, and they're pretty good for light use. They have all different sizes, and let's be honest, even those pliers are always running away from you. You can never have enough of these guys. Next up are magnetic tools. Harbor Freight sells a lot of useful magnetic pickup tools that are great for those hard to reach places, or if you just want to pick up a bunch of metal bits that have fallen on your floor. Next up are magnetic lights. I have a few of these quantum lights. They cost $7 a piece, and they're great in some of those hard to see places. You just slap it onto something metal, and you're good to go. Next up are diagnostic tools and code scanners. I got this Centec OBD2 scanner a few years ago for around $50. I actually think the newer ones are around $35. All you do is plug it into the OBD2 port, and then just Google the code, and it tells you what's wrong with your car. These are a really good and inexpensive way for you to know what's going on with your vehicle.